Let's go. We got a video. This video is about Phoenix Robot. It's developed by Sanctuary AI. We're going to check out this robot, see how the development is coming along, and then go from there like we always do. Let's lock in. Let's go. Look at that. Look at the hands, yo. That's impressive. These robots keeps getting better and better and better. Yo, that robot looks fantastic. It looks really, really good. Look at it. Design, yeah, the stylus is good. Like really, really good. Like we got another video, but that stylus hooked this robot up. The developer. I'm gonna stop saying stylus. I'm saying stylus because it looks kind of impressive.
So why is touch important for human level dexterity? The answer is you just can't be responsive and interactive with your environment properly without being able to feel it.
Sanctuary is focused on hand development from the very beginning. Hands are this critical interface to the world of work. Paired with vision, allow us to plan and to execute actions in the world. Once your hands get close to objects, you need to transition to another sense.
With touch,
Yo, I say that all the time. I mean, I don't like to repeat myself so much, but the hands is so important. Besides the AI, the hands is so important. I say that because I watch these developers all the time, every single day, say that the hands is one of the most important parts to get completed than almost any other part besides AI.
you could get contact, you could get textures, you could get all of this rich information that just isn't available visually. Vision and touch together are a great combination, but we keep encountering these scenarios where you don't have vision.
We see all the time in industry are something that we call blind picking. Just the idea of reaching into a receptacle or a space, usually to pick up an object that makes up an assembly or a process, and you don't have visual line of sight.
Yo, we've seen a lot of robots. Can y'all please let me know in the comments what you guys think about Phoenix? For some reason, I like the makeup of Phoenix. It looks together. Everything looks together. It don't look cheap. It looks together.
We're differentiated between a lot of the humanoid robotics companies, which are largely focusing on bipedal walking. We're really focusing on the hard parts, the dexterous manipulation, all these complex things we do at the hands. The real main benefit is that it speeds everything up.
The ability to perform things quickly and with certainty, with confidence, is augmented many-fold by having touch sensing available to these systems. But at a high level, you can think about force exerted on objects, and that being really important to understanding how you're doing in your interaction with that object.
If we can't feel, it becomes quite difficult to confirm that the task has been performed correctly. So it gives you this immersion and speed that you just can't.
And that's what I said about another robot that we was talking about before. I can't remember the name. I don't want to say the wrong name and it's the wrong robot. But when you have these grips, it's not going to be able to do everything that you want it to do. You gotta have the hands and the fingers. And they look like they excelled in getting Phoenix their hands. I mean, my God.
Get otherwise.
When you think about the world of work, people need to move, people need to climb, people need to bend over and pick things up. But ultimately, the interface to many of those work activities are through the human end effectors or the human hands, which are these incredible feats of.
Look at that. That's impressive. I know everybody, you might say, oh man, it's just hands, it's just fingers. But no, that's a critical part of robotics, is to make sure that you get the hands and the fingers together so they can be able to do everything in your household. It's crazy.
Engineering and the bottleneck in terms of the ability of humanoid systems to be competent and capable in commercial and industrial settings.
Yo, I'm definitely impressed by the developers. I'm really impressed by the developers.
Oh, I have touch sensors.
Yeah, are they working right now?
I can't tell. Oh yes, they are.
That's crazy.
That was their old models. I mean, they got a Gen 7 that's coming out. But we got one more video of Phoenix.
At Sanctuary AI, we're building physical AI for the enterprise with our general purpose robots. We're doing tasks kind of across the manufacturing and logistics industry. We do this in teleoperation using human pilots to teleoperate our robots. So since then, we've built what we consider the world's second best hand to our own. We build our AI platform.
I do wish, if I want to say one thing about Phoenix, I do wish they did have legs. I just feel like that would be significant. That would be one of the best robots out. But maybe they're going to work on that in the future.
Using a process data that we've unlocked from the physical world and turn it into AI policies that we play back on our robots to deliver meaningful value for our customers by automating their tasks.
Yeah, I could definitely say that this is a really good robot. I mean, the only thing I feel like is missing is legs. Other than that, it's a great robot. They did their job. It's impressive. Their hands are impressive. But please, Sanctuary AI, if you can, please work on some legs, because your robot will be in a lot of homes. All right, guys. Until next time.